on my way to pick up the Poplin order. It's a new customer. So let me pull his address up and then we'll go pick up the order. Sorry guys, it was the opposite direction. That's why you couldn't see me picking up the customer's order. But now I'm on my way back to the house. We're gonna get started on this laundry and then I'm gonna add the debt portion. Then I think I'm gonna go ahead and I might wait till tomorrow to upload the video. All right. Good morning guys. Let's go. It's a little dark. It is time it is 6:21 a.m. in the morning, and I'm on my way to pick up the requested order that I got on yesterday, and also to drop off the order, the Poplin order that we picked up on yesterday. And today we're going to have a better day, since yesterday was a lot of stuff going on yesterday, but today I'm claiming it's going to be a better day. So that's what I'm on my way to do now before I have to be to work at 8 o'clock. So guys, come along with me. Poplin order, requested order is picked up. So now we're on our way to drop off the order that we picked up on yesterday, which was a new customer. So let's go drop off the new customer, and we're going to claim they're going to be a recurring customer to replace the mishap we had on yesterday. Don't know what was wrong with her, but I look back at all the ones that really keeps requesting me, and I think that's why God sent her to request me on yesterday when it's like everything was just going wrong, to let me know that it's someone out here that appreciate what you do. So we're about to drop this new customer laundry off and wait for him to request us again. So let's go. 19 minutes away.
Head northwest on Wickham Avenue toward 21st.
just dropped off. So let's see. Okay, I made $24.90 with that order. That's without the tip. All right, now time to go to work. A little cold out here compared to yesterday. Yesterday it was really nice outside. Today is a little chilly compared to yesterday. So now I'm checking to see if my Popland deposit hit my account yet. Let's see. Cause like I told you yesterday, I still had a negative $10 balance after they took out my rent. So now it did show up. So now I can go ahead and I can transfer that over and get rid of that $10 and $10 and how much? I forgot what it was. $10.12 negative. So now we're about to go ahead and we're going to take care of that right now, and then we're going to be on our way to work. Okay, that negative amount is gone. It has been paid, and now we're in the clear and on our way to work. So let's go. Put my heat back on. It's cold out here. And I gotta remember from yesterday, I went that way because I thought this was hold on, let me get out of here first. Go back some more. I thought these were the apartments that just go around in a circle. But I kept on going that way, and it took me right to a pond of water. And I'm like, thank God. I was telling my coworker because I was talking to her yesterday on the phone. I said, thank God I was paying attention, because I didn't have water. But anyway, let's get to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video. You guys be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.